Hello, driving intelligence community. This video is only going to be up until the end of the month of July 2025 because Valvoline's got a rebate going on with their oils, and I'm buying the Restore Protect because I've had such great results as you've seen in my videos. In fact, right now I've gone from a quart every 800 miles of oil consumption to a quart every 2100. Last time I reported it was a quart every 1600 miles. So it's continuing to improve the performance of the engine. So this is super simple. You can buy up to 6 of these, 5-quart allotments, and then you register online with Valvoline. You snapshot the picture of the receipt, send it in, and you'll have a $5 per 5 quarts back in no time. So again, it's only going to be up, my video, until the end of July 2025. I think you can submit the rebate in by, I think it's the end of August 2025. Great deal. Check it out. Oh yeah, I don't work for Valvoline.